In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit product price on Whop. First, make sure you're logged into your Whop account and then head over to your business home dashboard. This is the main control center for your business on Whop, where you manage products, customers, and more. Give the page a moment to fully load so all the menu items appear correctly. On the left-hand side of the screen, you'll see a vertical menu. In that column, look for the option labeled Products and click on it. This will take you to a list of all the products you've created under your business. If you have a lot of products, you may want to quickly scan the names or use any search or filter tools available to find the one you want to update. Once you've located the product whose price you'd like to change, move your cursor to the right side of that product's row. You'll see a small icon with 3 dots, often called the More Options menu. Click on those 3 dots to open a small drop-down menu with several actions you can take on that product. From that menu, select Edit. This will open the product's detailed settings page. Here you can adjust various information about the product, but for now, we're going to focus specifically on the pricing settings. On the Edit page, scroll down until you reach the pricing section. This is where Whop lets you control how your customers are charged. Take a moment to look at the current setup so you understand what's already configured. Within this pricing area, you'll see a drop-down that's currently set to either recurring or one-time. Click on this drop-down labeled recurring if that's what it's currently set to. This will show you the available billing types. If you want to switch the product from a recurring subscription to a single payment, select one-time. If you're doing the opposite, choose the recurring option instead. Changing this setting determines whether your customers are billed just once or on a repeating schedule, such as monthly or yearly. After choosing the correct billing type, you can edit the actual price amount, the currency, and if you're using a recurring payment, the time period, like monthly or yearly. Make sure the price reflects the value you're offering and double check that the currency is correct for your customers. When you're happy with your changes, go to the top right corner of the page and click on Save Product. Wait for the page to confirm that the changes have been saved and you're done.